All right, you guys, so what I got in the mail today is another bra from OEAK. I love bras from OEAK because they're buttery soft and they're wireless, and you can use it as a sports bra. I've done multiple videos talking about how I love these bras. I just wanted to share it with you guys how well they fit and how they fit on my shape of the body. And being 40 plus, you know, something is dropping a little bit, but a bra like this has great support. And let me say, these bras a week are extremely affordable. Some of them are under $20. Yes, another Amazon findings. They come in amazing colors, and I'm wearing it underneath. I'm going to show you guys through the video about 3 different styles and the Pacific one that I like. So if you're struggling trying to find the right bra, a healthy bra, a bra that you can wear all day and sleep in too, first of all, I just want to say that this bra has buttery soft straps. Like, I like the wide straps. It's not digging into my skin. It's not irritable. I'm loving that because I can wear it for more use. They have some that are higher cut and lower cut. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this one off and show you. But first of all, it came in this cute little box. So I think it's a good holiday gift to give to somebody as well. I mean, on the package, it says full support, buttery soft, and man, this is not lying. It has like a little rip tag right here. You just rip it, and then the box is so well designed because it like tells you everything you need to know about the bra right here on the box. And this is a great holiday gift because you could just easily just wrap the box. All right, so this bra that I'm showcasing is buttery soft, thick wide straps, but what I like about this one the most is how it has all the different hooks in the back. I mean, it has so many, and it's so comfortable. The tag's actually cute too. It's tucked inside right here. I mean, you would think I'm wearing a $60 bra. Like, I'm not lying. This definitely looks like luxury. It feels like luxury, and I can wear this all day. I even wear these bras to the gym. Like, this one is the perfect one I would wear to the gym. I like that it doesn't cut into my skin right here, and it's super soft right in here where the wire will be digging in under your arm. More colors right here. I like this one because I could just wear it with anything and everything because nude just goes with everything, right?
Everyday wear, work, or casual outings. "55% nylon, 45% spandex. Soft, breathable materials for all-day comfort. Hand wash recommended. Lay flat to dry. Lightweight, seamless design stays smooth under clothing. Women seeking wire-free comfort with full support."
So this one is one of their newer collection because it's totally sheer, but I will tell you, it definitely gives Victoria's Secret vibes. I mean, I like the gold treatment right here. The straps come off, and this stretchy material is fantastic. Fantastic. So pretty. This one is more dainty. It only has 2 in the back, and it does have the bra size, and this is one of their newer collection. It has the beautiful label and tag on it. No factory smell. All their stuff smells fantastic when you get it. It doesn't have no funky weird smell to it. They have great shipping if it doesn't work for you, and they're just nice people to deal with. You know what I mean? Why struggle? Like, this can be so simple, finding the right bra. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, I love doing try on hauls, especially bra try on haul or swimsuits or whatever. You know, I just love it. But anyway, give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and family. If they're struggling with bras or you just be seeing their boobs and it don't look right, you know, or treat your girl because you know she needs a new bra. Do the right thing, okay? Cancer free because of no wires. We don't want no wires poking inside our breasts all day. So, in that note, leave a comment down below. I want to know, have you tried these bras? Style that I like the most.